Amaqela alishumi enesithandathu ebesilwela ukuba ziintshatsheli zetumente yabaneminyaka engaphezulu amathathu anesihlanu yeqela lebhola ekhatywayo lase Gqeberha isinzi ngale mpelaveki siphuma kuyo. Kulonyaka iintshatsheli zeletumente nebanjwa rhoqo ngonyaka ukusukela ngo-2020 liqela iCB19 FC nelibethe iSAPS FC ngamanqaku 2 kwelinye kwibala iSaintsfield eGelvandale. Umqeqeshi we-CB19 FC uthi nangona bephumelele kodwa lo mdlalo bungekho lula.
Oh, very emotional because last year we also played in the final and we won the final 3-0 but lost on technicality. But we just proved that we are a better team. It wasn't an easy task playing these guys. These guys know one another so well. You can see how the way they play. They play good football, good attractive football, direct feet, and they try to keep everything below the knee. So what we did, my emphasis, I play a different structure against them just to frustrate them, to win that second balls and to play it into the space and use our worth.
Yena umqeqeshi we-SAPS u-Eldridge Kuman uthi iqela lakhe liphose amathuba.
Actually it's hard so to lose in the final, but it's our second time and we lose for the second time. But we're going to Kelly's tournament and there we will do our best again. For the guys, we miss opportunities, but a well-deserved game.
Umquzeli waletumente kunye nomphathi waletumente bathi bayavuya ukudlalisa abadlali abadala kwaye bayadinwa.
Most focuses on the LFAs and those guys play until 30, 35 at most and then they stop playing and then they fall away basically. So we thought, okay, let's bring this over 35 tournament here by the different LFAs if they have a team available and then invite them to the tournament so that they can still play and still be active each year and then have trophies and medals available, basically rolling back the years. So that's the idea. So we have the youngest player 35 and the oldest player 65 here participating. So that's fantastic.
I'm sure that it will be a huge success of the clubs that has actually participated in the tournament because we set high standards at the club and everybody enjoyed themselves. The one thing that we maybe need to address in our rules for next year is to see that we can maybe lift the age group because some of the players are very, very tired.
iCB19 FC ifumene isixamali esingama-5,000 iimbasa zegolide kunye nendebe ze yona SAPS FC yafumana 2,500 eerandi kunye neembasa zesilivere. Kwiindaba ze-MPK TV ndingulinge Gqwabe eGelvandale eGqeberha.